Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If TikTok videos aren't loading for you, don't worry, there are several quick fixes that usually work. Step 1. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have good cellular data. Sometimes a weak signal causes videos to buffer endlessly. Try moving closer to your router or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Step 2. Force close and reopen the TikTok app. Go to your phone settings, find TikTok in your installed apps, and select Force Stop. Then wait about 10 seconds and reopen it fresh. This clears temporary issues that might be preventing videos from loading properly. Step 3. Clear your app cache without losing your data. Go into your phone settings, find TikTok, and tap Storage. Select Clear Cache, not clear data, just cache. This removes temporary files that sometimes get corrupted and slow everything down. Step 4. Update the TikTok app to the latest version. Open your App Store and check for pending updates. Developers constantly fix bugs, so running an outdated version might be your problem. If an update is available, install it immediately. Step 5. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall TikTok completely. This fixes deeper issues that other methods miss. Delete the app, restart your phone, then download TikTok fresh from your App Store and log back in. Most users find this solves the loading problem once and for all.